Hello, this is Nindy Kerr from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today we will be doing some watercoloring using the In the Moment stamp set and the new colored watercolor pencils. There are 13 colors: Real Red, Calypso Coral, Pumpkin Pie, Daffodil Delight, Old Olive, Blue, Fresh Freesia, Melon Mambo, Pecan Pie, Early Espresso, Basic Gray, and Basic Black. So there's plenty of choices. There's also another set that has different colors, but I didn't bring that in. So we are going to go ahead and stamp first. We'll be using Memento Black ink. And this paper is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And we want our little lady over here reading. And it turned out reasonable. And then we will choose the pencils we want. We're going to be using Azure Afternoon for our card base, so we'll definitely need the blue. And this is how they come with the points sticking out. I like it with the colors coming out first. So then I can just easily grab whichever one I want, although this way it won't put them in the same order they came in. It'll make it easier to use. So we'll use blue, and I want to use some Old Olive, and I think we'll have blonde hair, and a light brown dog, so Pecan Pie. Then we'll see what else we need. So her pants will definitely be blue for jeans. And you don't have to color perfect because we'll be using a blender pen to blend the color together. If you want it darker, you just need to color darker. And we'll do her hair. And we'll do the dog. I guess the dog could use 2 colors. Maybe we'll use basic gray around his eyes. And on his ears. Then Pecan Pie on the rest of him. Like I said, you don't need to color that well because we'll be blending this. Then we'll do her shirt blue also. And let's see, I haven't used green yet. Maybe we'll use green for her bedding. her book. Let's use Melon Mambo. And we'll use a darker Melon Mambo for her cup. Okay, now these blender pens, not to be confused with Stampin' Blends, have clear something or another in them that helps blend. I guess I forgot a scratch paper. Here's a scrap piece of paper, and the only thing you need to remember is to clean it off in between colors. So we'll do her hair first and clean it off until it comes clear again. Then we'll do the bedding. And the blender pens help bring out the color too. Oh, I guess we have this little bit over here. Let me see, I guess we need to blend in there a little bit. Okay, now we'll do the blue. Now we'll do the little gray part of the dog. And then the brown part of the dog. And then we'll do the pinks. Oh, don't need to clean it off. There we go. We have a quick card. Now we will put the words on. I'm going to use the relax one since it's summer. And really we need to take some time to relax all during the year. There we go. Don't know where those little lines came from, but maybe we'll just color around it a little bit with our blue. I hadn't planned on doing this, but that's okay. And clean it off. And even though the tip stains slightly, if you've cleaned it off properly, then you shouldn't have any problems. So let's add it to our card base. And this is definitely a simple stamping card because you just stamp, you just use stamps, paper, and ink, and watercolor pencils, but you don't use a die cutting machine. And make sure we have it right side up. There, you can send it to someone who you know needs a little break. So, thanks for watching. Remember to sign up for my newsletter. If you're on my blog, just hit the newsletter tab. If you're on YouTube, there's a link below in the description. Thanks again for watching. Bye.